The Subaru Crosstrek is the perfect blend of off-road capability and practicality and lets you live a big life without making a big impact on the environment. That means you can feel good about going new places and experiencing new adventures. Let your Crosstrek take you even further with genuine Subaru accessories, perfect for life on the go. Genuine Subaru accessories are engineered to the same rigorous standards as the rest of the vehicle. That's why every genuine Subaru accessory is backed by the balance of the vehicle's 3-year or 36,000-mile limited warranty of an original purchaser's limited lifetime warranty for our lifestyle accessories by Thule. Take a short journey with us now as we explore some of the most popular accessories that are available for the Subaru Crosstrek. Give your Crosstrek a great look and protect it from parking lot mishaps at the same time. Color matched to coordinate with the styling of the vehicle. Attractive genuine Subaru body side molding help to protect doors from unsightly dings. Preserve and improve the appearance of the Crosstrek. Outfit it with custom-fit, color-matched stainless steel door edge guards that help protect door edges from dings and chips, all while seamlessly blending into the door design. Go anywhere, anytime with peace of mind. Protect the paint finish of the Crosstrek from stones and road grime with genuine Subaru splash guards. This accessory comes as a set of 4. Want to roll down the windows without having to worry about the weather? Outfit the Crosstrek with genuine Subaru side window deflectors that let fresh air in while helping to keep the elements out. May not be legal in all states. Please check the laws of your state. Keep the interior of the Crosstrek looking new while you pack the back with everything from gear to groceries. The genuine Subaru cargo tray helps protect the trunk area from sand, water, stains, dirt, and other messes while providing a surface that helps reduce the shifting of cargo while driving. This popular accessory can be easily removed from the vehicle and rinsed clean after any adventure. Need to lower the seats to transport larger cargo? Enjoy additional protection for the rear seatbacks with a rear seatback protector. This accessory is perfect for use in conjunction with the cargo tray. Keep cargo safe and secure with a genuine Subaru cargo cover. This fully retractable, maximum coverage cargo cover keeps items in the back out of sight. Protect the top surface of the rear bumper when loading or unloading the cargo area with the rear bumper cover. Whether you walk through the woods, the dunes, or the city streets, custom-fitted high-wall design floor liners help protect the carpet from accidental spills, snow, sand, mud, dirt, and moisture. The all-weather floor liners come in a set of 4 and are not for use on top of carpeted floor mats. Protect eyes from unwanted glare and enjoy the convenience of programming home functions. This very popular upgraded mirror integrates 3 backlit HomeLink buttons that can be programmed to operate most garage doors, security gates, home lighting, and more. It can also let you know if a garage door has been left open or closed, if programmed to a compatible opener featuring 2-way communication. Enhance the auto-dimming mirror experience with the auto-dimming exterior mirror with approach light. When the doors are opened or unlocked with the keyless entry system, LED lights in each exterior mirror help to light the way. Light is cast down from all 4 doors and onto the ground next to and towards the rear of the vehicle. In darkness and when in traffic, the auto-dimming exterior mirrors help add to a safer driving experience by reducing headlight glare on the exterior mirrors. The accessory requires the auto-dimming interior mirror. Experience illumination precision with the LED upgrade for map and dome lights. This upgrade offers brighter, wider, and crisper interior lighting of the map and dome lights to improve visibility inside the Crosstrek. Warm up or cool down the Crosstrek before you even get in it with a remote engine starter. This convenient accessory allows the vehicle to be started from up to 400 feet away, simply by pushing a button. That way, the climate control system has time to make the interior more comfortable before entry. The push-start remote engine starter works in conjunction with the keyless access and start system and is an alternative for customers who do not wish to enroll in the Starlink Safety Plus and Security Plus package. Want to amplify any adventure? Enhance your Crosstrek audio system to a new level of sound quality so you not only hear the music, you feel it. The Rockford Fosgate audio upgrade consists of an amplifier, upgraded speakers, and an integrated digital signal processor tuned to align the system to the listener's preference. Give the Subaru Crosstrek a stylish edge and enhanced handling with the Crosstrek Sport Package that includes the STI leather shift knob, STI alloy wheel set, and STI roof spoiler. The STI leather shift knob combines the highest quality materials and eye-catching colors, giving a performance look to the Crosstrek. The STI alloy wheel set, available for 17-inch or 18-inch wheels, helps to give the Crosstrek the perfect blend of attitude and style, combined with improved handling performance and steering precision. This is due to the reduced weight of the alloy when compared to the stock alloy wheels. The wheels are finished in black and finished off with STI branded center caps. The flush-mounted STI roof spoiler adds a sporty touch to the Crosstrek. The spoiler is available in dark gray and includes the STI logo. Tow your gear wherever you like with a genuine Subaru trailer hitch. Rated at 200 pounds tongue weight and 1,500 pounds maximum towing capacity, Subaru hitches are engineered to the same rigorous standards as the rest of the Crosstrek. Add an Aero-style crossbar set to increase the cargo carrying capabilities of the Crosstrek. This accessory may be used with genuine Subaru roof attachments and carriers. Hit the road with all the gear you need for all the adventure you want with genuine Subaru accessories by Thule. The cargo carrier by Thule provides 13 cubic feet of lockable storage capacity and features dual-side opening for easier loading and unloading from either side of the vehicle. The low-profile aerodynamic design provides increased garage access without sacrificing box capacity, and the quick grip mounting system allows for an easy, tool-free installation and removal. This accessory is also available in an extended version that provides 17 cubic feet of storage. Increase cargo carrying capability with the Aero Extended Thule Crossbar set. The crossbars provide a large surface area to mount multiple accessories to the roof of the Crosstrek. The Thule Heavy-Duty Roof Cargo Basket provides additional storage space with easy access to gear of all shapes and sizes. Easily go from 4 wheels to 2 with an accessory bike carrier by Thule. They're easy to install and switch between multiple compatible vehicles. The Thule fork-mounted bike carrier features a sliding rear wheel cradle that moves forward and backwards to securely fit most bikes with up to 2.6-inch wide tires. The low-profile and lightweight aluminum tray is corrosion-resistant to help withstand the elements. Pair the bike wheel holder accessory with this carrier. This allows the bike tire to be mounted to the roof of the vehicle as well. The genuine Subaru roof-mounted bike carrier by Thule fits most 20-inch to 29-inch wheel bikes with tires up to 2.6 inches wide. It features self-adjusting jaws that automatically wrap around the down tube for precise frame hold. Ratcheting straps secure the front and rear wheels. If adventures on the water are your calling, outfit the Crosstrek with a genuine Subaru Kayak carrier or Paddleboard carrier by Thule. The genuine Subaru Kayak carrier features a steel design and adjustable padding to help protect your kayak. The J-style carrier folds down when not in use for increased overhead clearance and improved fuel economy. Transports one kayak up to 36 inches wide and up to 75 pounds. The telescoping design of the Paddleboard carrier by Thule provides a custom fit for boards up to 34 inches wide and can hold up to 2 boards. Or, if you want to hit the snow-covered slopes, haul skis or a snowboard with a genuine Subaru ski and snowboard carrier, manufactured by Thule. It holds up to 6 pairs of skis or 4 snowboards securely with ultra-soft rubber arms that grip without scratching surfaces. With 8.7 inches of ground clearance, embrace rooftop packing with the new Thule portable step and reach new heights. Constructed of heavy-duty steel for sturdiness, the portable step is equipped with rubber bumpers to help prevent wheel scrapes and scuffs. When not in use, the step conveniently folds into a carrying bag for easy storage. Thank you for taking the time to explore just some of the many genuine Subaru accessories available to enhance the Subaru Crosstrek. From products that increase comfort and convenience to rugged accessories designed to haul gear wherever you want to go, genuine Subaru accessories are designed with the journey in mind. Make the most of every adventure and keep your Subaru 100% Subaru with genuine Subaru accessories. Every genuine Subaru accessory is backed by the balance of the vehicle's 3-year or 36,000-mile limited warranty, even if the accessory is installed after retail delivery. Genuine Subaru accessories installed after the 336 warranty period are backed by 1-year unlimited mileage warranty. Subaru Lifestyle Accessories by Thule have a limited lifetime warranty for the original purchaser. See your warranty and maintenance booklet for more details.